Take a ride in the 2014 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front rear splash guards. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.